girls, do you say? I tell you, Kate, the girls that's in it has gotten me bait. You and me now had cheeks like roses. We had no call to whitewash our noses. The color we owned, we knowed it stayed on, nor keeked in wee glasses to see was it gone. And the mouths that is on them, plastered and all, like the Kirsty minstrels down in the hall. And as likely as not, a cigar sticking out. If their legs is like pegs, or like legs of mutton, they leave them naked nor care a button. Or aye, and their hair like a bush in the wind. For by, is it girls? Do you help them? I'd like to scalp them.